Simplifying radicals is all about finding the perfect square or the perfect cube inside of your radicand. So here underneath the radical sign we have a 200, and we want to take out the GCF, which is a perfect square from 200. So there's many different ways you can get 200. We can do 25 times 8, we can do 2 times 100, but we want to pick the one that's the highest perfect square. So here are your perfect squares. So which one's the highest? 100. So we want to multiply something by 100 to get 200. So you would divide 200 by 100, see what's left. Oops. 200 divided by 100 is 2. So we can just break this down. This is the square root of 100 times the square root of 2. It's the same thing as the square root of 200. Now I don't know what the square root of 2 is. If we put it in a calculator, it's a really long, weird number. But I know what the square root of 100 is. That's 10 squared. 100 is 10 squared. So the square root of 100 is 10. So we simply take the 10, we put him on the outside, and the 2 is left underneath. So this is 10 times the square root of 2. If there's already a number on the outside, so 3 squared roots of 50, well, this is just a 3 times whatever you break down the 50 as. So what can go into 50? So it's got to be something smaller than 50, obviously. So 100 ain't going to work. 81, 64, 49 doesn't look like it's going to work. 36, ooh, 25. Let's test it out. So if you're not sure, test it out. 50 divided by 25 is 2. So it does work. We're going to pull out a 25. So the square root of 25 times the square root of 2 makes the square root of 50. And the square root of 25 is 5. And if just to verify this, if you don't know how to do that, do 25 and hit the square root sign. So 5. So this is 3 times the square root of 25 is 5 times the square root of 2. And 3 times 5 is 15. So this is 15 square roots of 2.